Hello there guys, welcome to another episode of Project Zippy. Just a quick update sort of first off. It now starts, as you know. It drives, which you didn't know. I got the clutch bled yesterday and it drove it outside. Still got no brakes, so literally just like crawling along in first gear, handbrake to stop it and all that. But yeah, it drives now. That's fantastic. It seems to select all the gears just as it should. So yeah, that's fantastic. Since discovered that the top ball joints, definitely the driver's side, not sure about the passenger side, it's borderline, but the driver's side one, the top ball joint, has definitely got a bit of play in it. So I'm going to have to pull that hub off again and reshim the top ball joint. And I think we'll just risk it for a biscuit on the passenger side, see what happens with the MOT really, because I've only got so much time now, because the MOT is booked for 4 days time. So yeah, I need to get on with this. Yep, still got the front indicators to put in, may or may not do this evening. Got the washer bottle and the pipework to put back in, which I will definitely do this evening. I've just pulled the mirrors off tonight as well. How many sets of mirrors has this car had? 6 holes on this side and 6 even worse holes on this side. Seriously? Why? I really do not know. I was going to put the original standard mirrors back on it even, but it's not going to cover up these sins that we have here. So what I think I'm going to end up doing is getting some aftermarket ones that look similar-ish to the standard ones, the metal, but they've got a bigger plinth that will cover most of that problem that we've got going on. So yeah, that's good. Well, not good, but you know, do the best I can. There's the bonnet. I've literally just primed the underside of it now, just before recording this, so that's going to be ready for a colour coat, well, all of the colour coats tomorrow. So yeah, that's that. And oh, hello, got another Mini in here. What's going on? Yeah, this is my friend's car. Anyone who watches my video who knows me and this guy will know who this car is, whose it belongs to even. Yeah, it's been off the road since IMM 2017 when the gearbox died on the way back, and has rebuilt an engine and gearbox to go in it, which doesn't want to run properly because the SPI system's playing up. But in that time it got very rusty, just sitting on his driveway, and he's found it's full of filler as well. This corner of the roof is worse. Yeah, not great really. Yes. So yeah, the wings were absolutely knackered. There's a bit of a hole going on there. Yeah, there's a few bits that need some work. So yeah, the guy with the Honda has moved out, and yeah, my friend's moved in here now with this thing. So nice to have some more Minis in here and plenty more space still. So yes, this Mini's called Bully, by the way, just in case you're wondering. So yeah, there we go. Little update, and I say I've been tinkering the odd little bit here and there off camera already today. So I just need to do as much as I can tonight. I can't really be bothered with too much, so I say I'm going to get the washer bottle in, maybe the indicators, and we'll carry this on tomorrow. In this episode into tomorrow. So yeah, that's where we're at with it. Just thought I'd let you know what's been going on. So hence the long intro anyway. But we'll do some more work on this now. Okay guys, been having a bit of an issue with the gear selector hitting the exhaust. I should say the exhaust is touching the gear selector. So yeah, I've just been trying to move the mount so I can just push it off to one side slightly. And where is it? Here we are. The original insert that goes in the back of this, the thread completely mullered itself. So yeah, that was fun. Managed to, I've just thrown the nut away, but I cut a groove down the side of the nut because I wasn't sure if it was the thread in the nut or the thread on there, but it's a thread on there anyway. I've got that out and I've just welded in another bolt. Not pretty, and I forgot the gas on the first weld, so that was even worse, but it's held it in place. It'll do the job. So yeah, I've just had to improvise for that. So I can't really get under the back of the car very well at the moment, so I'm just going to leave that off, and that's actually still fairly warm as that. I don't want to be touching the metal bit. So I'm leaving that there, and what I'm going to do now is bleed the front brakes, and adjust and bleed the front brakes, get the tracking somewhere near, because I can visually see it's towing out a bit too much at the moment with the new steering rack. So yeah, get the tracking a bit closer, adjust the brakes, bleed the brakes, then the front end is pretty much done, and then I'll get the back end up in the air, fix the exhaust hanger where I can actually get under the car, because I only have one set of axle stands annoyingly. Yeah, get under the back of the car, put the exhaust mount on, try and get that in the right place, then I can adjust and bleed the rear brakes, and then yeah, we really are starting to get through our jobs now, which is good, as MOTs in only a few days. So yeah, there we go. Right, let's do some work. Okay then guys, that is me done for today. I've got all the brakes adjusted and bled, got that ball joint done. I feel like we've got the exhaust sorted as well, so that's no longer hitting the selector, and other bits and bobs. Bonnet has been painted, so yeah, it's looking a lot better. We may or may not have done other stuff. We did the indicators, yeah, there we go. It's all coming back to me. It's been a long day, I've been here for 10 hours. So yeah, that's where we're at. I've got some proper wheels back on now as well. I've done the tracking sort of bit by eye. I'm waiting for the guy I'm sharing with here, who shall not be named because I don't know that he wants me to say anyway. He's going to help me do the tracking on it properly, but I've got it a bit closer by eye now, so it'll be easier. Brakes are bled, but the pedal still goes a fair way down. I don't know if you'll be able to see or not. The pedal's still basically going to the floor, even though there's no air coming out of it with the easy bleed on it. Now, I know exactly why that is, and that's because the master cylinder itself needs bleeding. which you can't really do with the easy bleed, because I did bleed it with the easy bleed out of here, but you need to actually pump the pedal to fill the cylinder up properly and get all the air out of it, then pump the pedal and do it that way and just crack these unions loose. Yeah, I remember when I swapped that last year when the old one started leaking. I had this same issue, so again I need a friend to come and help me with that one, which shouldn't be an issue. So yes, hopefully once that's brakes been bled, I can take it for a proper test drive down the lane and actually make sure that everything is driving properly. Obviously we've had an engine out and a subframe out, so got to give it a good check before we actually take it for its MOT. So yeah, that's where we're at with it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Nice long one today, I think. And yeah, if you aren't already subscribed, then click the little subscribe button and you get a notification when I upload a new video. Like the video if you liked it, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers for watching, guys. Bye for now.